Welcome back, my friends. We're talking the Wendy's stock squeeze. Hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to get into why I have such strong conviction in Wendy's. All right. This is a tweet I put out recently. Wendy's is the first meme stock that is a legitimate business. Multiple X's from here on the fair value alone of the company. Add on Wall Street Bets Army and the rest of the internet. Plus shorts covering, there's like 32% short interest, significant. Add on gamma squeezes. I believe a lot of people will be surprised how high this stock goes. Have fun making money. I got asked price targets in the comment section. I don't do price targets, all right? Check this out right here. This is top 50 fast food chains ranked by sales from QSR magazine. This is pretty intriguing, all right? Number 1, McDonald's, no surprise. Number 2, Starbucks. Number 3, Chick-fil-A. Number 4, Taco Bell. Number 5 is Wendy's. 5th on the list. Out of all these restaurants, number 5 is Wendy's. I ate there last night. Food was amazing. Service was amazing. Number 5 is Wendy's. Okay? And then you got Dunkin', Chipotle, Burger King, Subway, and Domino's. Now let's see the market cap for those. McDonald's market cap is 192 billion. Starbucks 119 billion. Chipotle 43 billion. Wendy's 1.5 billion. I rest my motherfucking case, man. I rest my motherfucking case. It is ranked number 5 top fast food restaurants ever. In sales, business fundamentals. This is a legitimate company meme stock. We've never had that before. Wendy's is less than 1% of the market cap of McDonald's. It is like 1.5% of the market cap of Starbucks. It is 1/30th. It is 3% of the market cap of Chipotle. Yet it is ranked number 5. That's the dissonance I'm talking about. That's where you find deep fucking value. All right. Check this out. US and Iran reportedly agree to halt attacks ahead of Doha Hormuz talks. So that's a good thing. I want world peace. You can see the futures right here. I believe the macro is going to be green tomorrow. SPY and all those indices that are related to it as well. Check this out right here. I talk about gamma squeeze sometimes. Investopedia.com is where I got my PhD in squeeze stocks. That's where I learned, like, I don't know. A lot of the information I learned is from Investopedia.com. Highly recommend them. I'm not partnered with them or anything. They just are a vast resource of information. All right. So this is a gamma squeeze. And this is why I talk about options are what is going to be the catalyst for the Wendy's stock squeeze. A gamma squeeze occurs when intense buying of call options forces market makers to buy the underlying stock to hedge their exposure, which in turn drives the stock price even higher. A gamma squeeze, in other words, is when buying pressure for options contracts forces a rapid climb in the price of the underlying stock. Here's how it works, broken down. Investors heavily buy calls. Options dealers who sold those calls hedge by purchasing the stock in the open market. As the stock price rises, the gamma effect requires dealers to buy even more shares to stay hedged. This creates a self-reinforcing upward cycle. Okay? That is a gamma squeeze. That is what is going to be the catalyst for the Wendy's stock squeeze. And maybe not the catalyst, but it's going to be a significant driver of price action. So this is the video to watch before tomorrow's bell. I'll be live streaming later. Wendy's stock has become my life, and I couldn't be happier. See you guys for the next update. Peace.